Damn, I hadn't seen one like this in a while.
And who says it doesn't get a little breezy here on the lake? Water and the wind. Just to give you an idea how it's blowing, look at it blowing off of the boat.
You knocking somebody?
No, I'm just videoing. They can't, well, they could hear you if you call them on it. A little too close to the screen. Nasty rain all of a sudden, and it was one of those 20% chance days.
Oh, exactly. Boy, that's like coming back from Alex City.
But an idea of what it's like when a storm comes up and 10 minutes ago it was bright sunshine.